Welcome to Patagala College of Commerce and Management. Today we are going to learn the accounting principle. Myself Dr. Tasfiya Sheikh. This accounting principle is useful for FIBMS and FIBBI students. Now we will just look out what are the accounting principle. We have to go one by one. Business entity, money measurement, cost, going concern, realization, accrual, dual asset, consistency, conservatism, disclosure, materiality, matching, principle. In today's lecture we have to just learn few of them. We begin with the accounting principle. Going concern concept, meaning the going concern concept is the basic idea that the business will continue for a long time, followed by all accountants while recording and reporting the business transactions. The going concern concept is also known as the concept of continuity. Effects on accounts. Expenses useful for many years are treated as fixed assets. Expenses useful for 2 or 3 years are taken as deferred revenue expenditure. Long-term loans can be taken from banks and shown in liabilities in the books. Next है realization concept, meaning realization concept that income is recorded only on realization when it is either received or earned. Realization means obtaining the price of goods sold. The sale becomes complete or real only when the price is received. This is also known as revenue recognition principle. Effects on account. Sale price is released and recognized when cash is received, when the customer has become legal liable to pay the price. Next है dual aspect concept, where debit equal to credit or double entry system, meaning concept of dual aspect means recording both aspects debit and credit using the double entry system of bookkeeping. Dual aspect means the two aspects, benefit given and benefit taken, of a transaction. The basic rule of business, that is everything has a price. Effects on account. The system of bookkeeping which records such dual aspects in the books is known as double entry system. Second, in double entry system, the benefit received is recorded in one account and the benefit given is recorded in another account. Dual aspect concept gives rise to the concept of debit and credit. The account where the benefit comes in is debited and the account from where the benefit goes out is credited. Last, the concept of dual aspect also means that the funds available with the businessman, that is liabilities, are always equal to the funds used, that is assets. Disclosure, meaning disclosure means reporting or making known. The convention of disclosure is the common rule followed by all accountants of disclosing the financial position and performance for the benefit of users. Effects, where and what to disclose. Financial position, that is the assets and liabilities in the balance sheet, and financial performance, that is the income and expenses in the profit and loss account. How to disclose? User such as owners, lenders, government and investor etc. can understand the information. The information is relevant for the purpose of user. The information is reliable, and last, the information is comparable from year to year. Materiality concept, meaning material means important or essential. The convention of materiality is the common rule followed by all accountants of separately recording and reporting the material details of business transactions. Effects on account: recording only material details, separate record in individual account, reporting only material details. Matching principle requires that expenses should be matched with the income. This helps to find out the profit, that is income minus expenses.